Now that we've built it, it's time to see what this machine is really made of. And I'll be honest with you, standing here looking at it fully assembled, there's a different energy to this than walking into a dealership and throwing a leg over a showroom bike. This one has our fingerprints on it. Literally, every bolt we torqued, every panel we clicked into place. We know this bike from the inside out before. We've even ridden a kilometer. And that changes how you approach a review. This isn't a press launch. There's no perfectly prepped road, no support team, no ideal conditions. This is a real machine, built by real hands, going out into the real world. Let's see what BMW actually delivered. The first thing that hits you, and it hit us during the build too, is how committed this design is. The F450GS trophy isn't pretending to be a rally machine. The high front beak, the narrow tank flanks, the exposed frame sections. This is the GS identity taken somewhere more serious. It looks like it belongs on a stage rather than a Sunday morning ride. And that visual confidence either speaks to you immediately or it doesn't. Up close, the panel quality is solid. Nothing flexes that shouldn't. The graphics package is aggressive without being overdone. And the riding position, even standing still, tells you exactly what kind of riding this machine was designed around. The single-cylinder engine underneath is the heart of this whole experience. And it does not disappoint. Power delivery is progressive, not explosive off the bottom, but building with a linear confidence that suits the bike's character completely. It's the kind of engine that rewards smooth inputs, and in technical terrain, that smoothness is an asset rather than a compromise. Mid-range pull is strong and predictable when you need it between 40 and 80 kilometers per hour, which is where trail riding actually happens. The engine is exactly where you want it to be. It doesn't fight you. It works with you. On open tarmac, realistic cruising sits comfortably between 120 and 140 kilometers per hour without stressing the engine. Pushing past that is possible, but this machine isn't built for sustained highway speed, and it doesn't pretend otherwise. That honesty is part of what makes it trustworthy. Fuel consumption in mixed riding, city, trail, some highway, came in at a respectable range. That keeps touring practical without constant fuel stops. For a 450 cubic centimeter single, the efficiency is genuinely impressive over a long day. The instrument cluster is clear, readable, and functional without demanding your attention when you should be watching the trail. Riding modes, road and off-road at minimum. Adjust throttle response and ABS behavior in ways you actually feel rather than just read about. The suspension is the standout feature here. Long travel, well-calibrated, and genuinely communicative. It tells you what the ground is doing, which builds confidence faster than any electronic aid. One honest observation from the build, the wiring routing behind the dash is tight. Nothing concerning, but it confirms this machine was designed for performance, not service convenience. Ergonomically, the standing position is natural and well-balanced for trail work. Seated highway comfort is firm. This is not a touring seat, but over a full day of mixed riding, it remains manageable. For off-road use, the suspension absorbs rough terrain with a composure that genuinely earns respect. Rock sections, loose gravel, compacted dirt, it handles. The transition between surfaces without demanding technique. Adjustments between each one. In the city, the narrow profile and light steering make it surprisingly manageable for a machine with this much off-road personality. It's not a commuter, but it doesn't make urban riding a chore either. The F450GS trophy does exactly what it promises: serious off-road capability in a package that remains usable on the road. The engine character is excellent. The suspension is class-leading at this displacement. The design is committed and honest. The cons are real but narrow. The seat comfort over very long days is firm. The technology package, while functional, won't impress riders coming from larger, more connected machines. And at its price point, the expectation of premium finishing in every detail isn't always met. But here is the verdict. If the riding you actually do involves leaving tarmac behind regularly, this machine is worth every dollar. It doesn't exaggerate its capabilities. It lives up to them. So the question I want to put to you directly, knowing this isn't a press bike, knowing we built it ourselves and rode it without any preparation, would you buy the 2026 BMW F450GS trophy? Or does something else at this price make a stronger case for your kind of riding? Drop your honest answer in the comments. And if you missed the unboxing and build video, it's linked right above because the story of this machine starts there. Subscribe to Rider Pro for the full long-distance ride test coming next week. That one is going to answer the questions this video couldn't. Warning disclaimer, this review is based on real-world assembly experience, rider expectations, creative interpretation, and publicly available information about the 2026 BMW F 450 GS Trophy. Final specifications, performance figures, and features may vary from what is described here. This content is produced for informational and entertainment purposes only. Rider Pro holds no affiliation with or endorsement from BMW Motorrad.